Well, this one is just to show you the hedgers versus speculators. In the interest of time, this presentation will be on the website, so you can take your time to go through that. We alluded to the fact that we need to ensure financial integrity. Otherwise, no one would come and trade on the exchange. So what do we do to ensure that there is financial integrity on the stock market or on the derivatives market? Transactions are cleared and processed via a clearing system. That is, we've got what we call a JSE Clear, which is a clearing house, and it actually acts as a seller for all buyers and as a buyer for all sellers. That's why in a situation like this, you actually don't mind who is your counterparty, because everything is guaranteed by the exchange. We also do have what we call a margining methodology, which is like a deposit of good faith. In other words, for you to take a position to start buying one contract or selling one contract of maize, you need to put a deposit and open a deposit account, which we call a margin account. And this will be managed on a daily basis through what we call a marking to the market system, to make sure that you are not being surprised come expiry day that you have a huge bill to settle. So we will be able to manage that on a day-to-day basis. And if you realize that the market is running away from you, you can actually exit your position. So the worst maximum loss that you can take is actually a one-day loss. So you are not going to be sitting there for 3 months locked in and then just receive a huge bill. That's one of the ways that we are managing we minimize the defaults and we ensure integrity of the system. Just what I said is put in a schematic diagram here where we have got, say for argument's sake, here on the buying side, we have got a client, it could be you. You open an account with a JSE member A, which is a broker, and of course you open a deposit account with a bank, which is your clearing house. This is all done by the appointed broker that you sign up with. On the other side, client B who wants to sell would use probably another client. So these members are one of those 55 members that we alluded to earlier, and the clearing members, are one of those 5 banks that we alluded to earlier. And everything then is on a daily basis is transacted and cleared via the JSE clearing house, and you would receive through your clearing house, your clearing bank, you would receive a receipt on a daily basis to see whether you made money for that day or you lost money for that day. And if you lost money, then you will be required to add up to bring your account to a certain level that is required for you to continue trading. Then here we've got the silo owners. In other words, while we are trading paper instruments here, we do have your grain, which is stored somewhere in a silo around South Africa. And currently we've got about 205 registered silo operations that are recognized by the JSE and that we use. All right, I hope it's clear. Please continue to ask or type in any questions if I'm either moving fast or if you've got a question that you want us to attend to. Okay. All right. I indicated the warehouse system, and this is where, just to show you an example of the silos that are all over the country. Normally when you drive along our highways, you see them. And here also we've got, it's a new invention where we now can store grain in silo bags as well. This is what you see at the bottom there. And you say physical delivery process is crucial to the integrity of the trading system as well.